Hello, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. Got another quick video for you. This is from the Super Simple series that Pink Monarch Prints did. Number 6, I think. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I've stuck this onto a page because it has a pocket here and it's got some things in the pocket. Little booklet there, So let's do it. So this is the back piece. I've already scored mine. Scored all my lines. I'll just put those there. I didn't score that one very well. Oh. Okay. Hope my glue's not stuck. That's for this. It's glued. On this side. It's glued together. And the pockets go on here. Like I said, nice and easy, nice simple one. Just love these, this set. We've got a beautiful day here. No cold wind, sun shining. I need to get out and prune my roses. I'm well and truly overdue pruning them. And these little cards go in there, the pockets. Okay. Make this into a tuck. Decorate it. Put a bit of lace on it. A bit of lace. A bit long. This one gets glued up. I'm going to make a pocket out of this one. Tucks in there like that. Now we've got this one here that I made into a pocket. Actually might leave it open. You can put somewhere to write on it. But I'm going to put some of these on the back of it, pretty it up. Because that's just a boring old grid pattern. I upside down. Another seam here. Put that at the top. On the front. So that piece goes in there because you'll make that as a pocket. Rid of the white. And that, my friends, is it. And put that one in there too as the pocket. So there you go. Bends over like that and it just goes down on your page like that. So nice and easy. So I'd like to thank, and I can't remember her name, from Pink Monarch Prints. She's a really good inspiration. I love all, she's done 8 so far. She just calls the simple, super simples and hashtag 1 through to 8 she's done so far. So go and check out her channel, and I'll put the link in the description below. Yeah, this is where you can reach me. I'm on Facebook. I have a website. If you feel inclined, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Hopefully I've got my camera sorted out now, the angle of my camera, so hopefully that's better. All right, I'll catch you next time. Thanks very much.